Area 51. General information. Location: Area 51 is situated in southern Nevada, approximately 83 miles, 134 kilometers, north-northwest of Las Vegas. The closest town is Rachel, Nevada. Country: United States. Coordinates: 37.233 degrees N latitude, 115.800 degrees W longitude. Establishment and history. Date of establishment: Area 51 was established in 1955. Original purpose: the site was initially chosen by the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, for testing the U-2 reconnaissance aircraft. The remote location and large, flat area provided an ideal setting for testing high-altitude aircraft. Historical developments. 1950s and 1960s. During this period, Area 51 became the testing ground for the U-2 spy plane and later the A-12 Oxcart, an advanced reconnaissance aircraft that eventually led to the development of the SR-71 Blackbird. 1970s and 1980s, development and testing of stealth technology became a primary focus, including the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter. 1990s to present, the facility continues to be used for the development and testing of advanced military aircraft and systems. Specific projects remain classified, but it is known that modern drones and other cutting-edge technologies have been tested there. Security and secrecy. Access and security. Area 51 is highly restricted, with access limited to authorized personnel. The airspace around the area, known as A-48-0A-10, is restricted, and the perimeter is heavily patrolled. Surveillance. The facility is under constant surveillance, with ground sensors and aerial monitoring ensuring no unauthorized access. Official secrecy. The US government maintained strict secrecy about Area 51's existence until it was officially acknowledged in 2013 through a declassified CIA document. Cultural impact. Conspiracy theories. The secretive nature of Area 51 has spawned numerous conspiracy theories, primarily involving UFOs and alien technology. These theories often cite alleged sightings of unidentified flying objects and supposed evidence of extraterrestrial life. Media and pop culture. Area 51 has been featured in countless movies, TV shows, books, and video games. Popular culture has played a significant role in shaping the public's perception of the facility, often depicting it as a hub of alien activity and government cover-ups. Official acknowledgement.